Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode, we're going to be talking about backpacks and duffels, or duffel bags. One of the things I'd like to point out before we get into this, I've done a couple of live streams on this on my other channel, Camppatton Family Compound. I'll put the link to it right up here. The thing is, though, those live streams went long because there's so much to discuss when it comes to backpacks and duffels. This is your prep for today. We're going to talk about making sure you use your backpacks, duffels, whatever you have stuff stored in. Get out there and practice with it. You have a really nice one, go out and buy a $500 backpack with all the bells and whistles on it, load it up where it supposedly bounced just right, and never put it on. And then the time you need to go use it, you put it on and ow, it hurts. It just doesn't feel right with all the weight in it. It feels different than it did when I bought it because you didn't practice with it. And that's the other thing too. When you go to buy a backpack, make sure you get it from a store where they have several of them and they'll let you try it on. And I know REI used to actually put weights in it for you. So you say, I want 40 pounds of weight in here, and let you walk around the store to see how it feels, how it rides, and everything else. And they work with you to adjust it right. Now, the other thing too is you got to decide whether you want an external frame, an internal frame, or a no frame duffel bag. So opinions on this are opinions on it. Anyone tries telling you this is the only way to do it, you need this type of no, they're full of crap. Pardon my French. My youngest son, who is an Eagle Scout, a Venture Scout, and I think he has like 4 or 5 palms. So that's the number of, every palm you have to have 5 merit badges over the amount to get Eagle. So, I mean, he's done a lot. He's done cavalcade with the Venture Scouts in New Mexico. He's done whitewater kayaking. His final bag he settled on was a military duffel bag because he liked the way he could load it quickly and it worked good for him. Me personally, I like an external frame. I hate internal frames. They don't feel right on me. I can't hang stuff off of them. I can't just grab the frame and pick it up because it's internal. You can't, grab and hold the canvas. But that's my personal opinion. That doesn't mean it's right for you. So check it out. Try different types. But once you have your backpack or duffel bag or whatever you're using to carry stuff in, practice with it. Get out there, walk around the football track several times. Get used to it. You want to be going out there practicing, because if all of a sudden you got to go and most of you ever done is a half mile in it, and you're going to have to do 15 miles in a day. Yeah, you see what I'm getting at? You need to practice with your backpacks. Okay, so as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.